I'm back outside for more winter sowing. I'm setting out some more jugs. I set some out yesterday and set some more out this morning. I have a few more left. And as you can see, we have a huge blanket of snow. We're not used to this. I'm in Zone 7B, Memphis, Tennessee. I have not seen this much snow since I was at least 5 or 6, and I'm 55 now, so we're not used to this much snow. And I did bring my ruler out here to see how deep it was on my patio, and that's showing me about 6 inches of snow. It's deeper in some places, you know, some other places, but right now these are the jugs that I just set out, and I got some snow peas, Brussels sprouts, red kale, slow boat cilantro, Lacento kale, what is that? Some lavender. I'm setting out my herbs as well as my main vegetables, I guess you could say. So these are the new jugs that I just set out today. Right here, and as you can see, it's almost halfway the jug in the snow. So these are the other ones that are covered. They have snow on the inside as well. So they are definitely getting their their cold stratification in here. I did have a few things that did sprout already. I put these out here as well. I did have a few things. This is some catnip, and that is some thyme in the other ones. That other one. And so I did have some of these are totally covered. They do have snow on the inside of them. They're covered on the inside too. So I did have a few things that sprout, and some greens that had already sprouted, because our January and early February has basically been in the 50s and the 60s, and all of a sudden, you know, we get this Arctic blast here. So I'm just trying to see what happens. The things that did sprout, I will see if they are damaged or if they continue. I have some Bloomsdale long-standing spinach and some kales. A lot of my greens did sprout. So some of those are supposed to be frost hardy. And so we will see. I don't know if this might be a little bit too much for them, because we don't have 0 degrees. But I'm going to go right here in the door. And I have 2 more jugs. These are the last 2 jugs that I have, and this is some atomic purple carrot, black nebula. I'm sorry, the other ones are. I have some black nebula carrots, and I got these from Baker Creek, and this is some purslane that I also got from Baker Creek. So I'm going to set these 2 next to the other ones, and I will get I have these black totes here that I get from our little food drive, and instead of throwing those away, I've been bringing these totes home. So these are really good. I put the bottles in these totes so that they don't blow away or tip over, and these I will put in the totes. I have to go in kind of they're collapsible, so I have to go and set some up. But I'm going to take these. You know, I think they'll be fine for tonight down here in the snow and the ice. I don't think they'll tip over tonight. We're not supposed to have high winds, so hopefully we won't have any high winds. And I'm going to leave these here for right now. And I'll come out. I'm supposed to thaw out this weekend, at least be 50 degrees. It's going to go from 20 to 50 by the weekend. So I'll go and get another one of these black totes and put those in there as well. And so right now, this is my little winter sowing kingdom. Those 2 black totes and these. And I just set these out today. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17 jugs that I set out today. Day and yesterday. I did 4 yesterday. So they're out here getting their cold stratification dues in. And we will see what happens next. It is very cold.